Yousician versus Justinguitar. Which guitar app is best? Choosing the right guitar learning app can make a huge difference in how quickly you improve and how much you enjoy practicing. Yousician and Justinguitar are two of the most popular options, each with a different teaching style. Yousician offers interactive lessons with real-time feedback and gamified progression, while Justinguitar focuses on structured, teacher-led lessons that feel like being in a real classroom. This comparison breaks down how each app works so you can choose the one that fits your learning style best. Yousician is an interactive music learning app that teaches guitar and other instruments through real-time feedback on your playing. Its lessons include exercises, popular songs, and technique drills that adapt to your skill level. Yousician listens as you play and scores your performance, helping you learn what to improve instantly. The game-like interface and structured progression make practice fun and motivating, with theory and practical skills woven into the lessons. It's ideal for learners who enjoy interactive feedback and a personalized, engaging learning experience. Justinguitar is a guitar learning platform created by professional guitarist Justin Sanderco. It offers a huge library of structured lessons that cover guitar basics, chords, strumming, fingerpicking, music theory, and popular songs. The lessons are delivered in a straightforward, easy-to-follow way, with Justin's guidance feeling like a real teacher sitting beside you. Justinguitar places a strong emphasis on fundamentals and step-by-step progression, making it a great choice for beginners and intermediate players who want solid technique and musical understanding without distractions. Many lessons are free, and the curriculum builds logically from simple to more advanced concepts. Feature comparison. Yousician and Justinguitar each excel at different things. Yousician stands out for interactive, game-like lessons and instant performance feedback, which keeps learners motivated. Justinguitar offers a structured, instructor-led curriculum that focuses on fundamentals and musical understanding, perfect for learners who prefer guided teaching from an experienced guitarist. Your choice depends on whether you prefer interactive feedback or traditional lesson structure. Final thoughts. If you want a fun, engaging learning experience with real-time feedback and gamified progression, Yousician is a strong choice. If your goal is to build strong foundational skills through well-organized teacher-led lessons, Justinguitar is an excellent option. Both platforms can help you improve on guitar. The best one depends on your preferred learning style and goals.